Japan is known for its compact hotel rooms, maximising space with cunning designs, but most are still designed for only 1 or 2 people. So what happens when you're travelling with your family or a small group of friends? In this video, I'll show you a typical room for 4 people that we booked on a family trip to Japan. This is Montan Hakata Hostel, conveniently located less than 10 minutes walk from Hakata Station in Fukuoka. This is the 6th largest city in Japan, positioned on the northern coast of Kyushu Island. The city is home to the port which connects ferries to South Korea, while Hakata Station marks the start of the Sanyo Shinkansen route, which connects to Osaka via Hiroshima. Get your timing right and you could be making that train journey to Osaka on the legendary Hello Kitty branded bullet train, and I've got a video all about that if you're interested. Meanwhile, a short local train ride will get you to Nanzoin Temple, where you can see a 41-metre reclining Buddha, one of the largest bronze statues in the world. We picked Montan Hakata Hostel based on its affordable price and high ratings, and we weren't disappointed. We paid around $100 or about £85 in mid-August 2024 for a room that slept 4 people. The reception has a clean and modern design with plenty of comfortable seating, along with a kitchen area where you can prepare basic meals. There's also a large lounge area with big beanbags where you can relax. The reception staff were all very friendly and spoke great English, and if you fancy something to read, there's a mini library of manga books, along with board games that you can rent. Meanwhile, an open atrium between the reception and elevators has a garden that you can sit out in. Right, let's check out the room, and we stayed in room 610. Notice the Wi-Fi details on the key card. Inside the entrance is an area to take off your shoes, change into the provided slippers and hang your coats. We've also left our backpacks here out of the way. A useful mini kitchen provides a sink, a kettle and a fridge, all handy for preparing hot drinks or snacks like instant noodles. And next into the main sleeping area, which features a pair of bunk beds to accommodate 4 people in total. It may be described as a hostel, but all the bedding is included and it's very comfortable. And as is customary in all Japanese hotel rooms, there's kimono-style dressing gowns provided for each person. Our room also had a small desk and TV, and a balcony with views over this side of the city, and you'll also note the air conditioning unit which kept us cool during the hot summer. There's plenty of room for bags and cases around the room. Meanwhile, the bathroom is typical for a budget Japanese room, very compact but also well thought out, with a short bath, shower, sink, and of course a toilet with all the bells and whistles. Again, it may be a hostel, but this one also includes soap, shampoo and hand cream. This was actually the first night of our family trip to Japan, having arrived on the overnight ferry from Busan in South Korea, and look out for a video all about that journey. It was also my first time in Fukuoka, and I enjoyed being further west in Japan than I'd ever been before, plus it's really well located for moving on to Hiroshima, Osaka, Kyoto and beyond. As for the other family rooms we stayed in, here's another hostel from the lovely town of Nikko, and I've got a video all about visiting that place if you're interested. Most family rooms we stayed in featured 4 bunks, typically cost less than $100 a night, and were all very comfortable, including one that we got in Osaka. In fact, it was only Tokyo where they were sold out of affordable quad rooms, leaving us to book 2 doubles instead. Let me know in the comments where you stay in Japan, especially if you have any affordable options or recommendations for family rooms. And if you enjoyed this video, please do check out some of the other travel tips and tours on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.